Good morning, everybody. Rick here. Today is Monday, March the 20th. Time is 8:35 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And it is, let's see what we got going on here. So, it's been trickling down overnight. And we're in an I zone right now, kind of bouncing off of this 7 at the moment, currently below. I'm not seeing anything as far as huge cluster prints on my charts, but this one has got me aware at 8 o'clock. So we got some prints here. We're just kind of channeling along. Put us in the 9 to 19, 65, 55, 45. What do we have sitting back here? 41 is the one deviation that will take out that cluster, but I would pretty much guarantee a new one would form within there somewhere. So, okay, here's my thought process. I think we got a little more business downwards to take care of, probably around the one deviation, and should start looking for a reversal around that point. Um, Actually, here on the diagnostic bars, it's already set up as a cluster reversal. Um, I have no idea what time this 7:25. I have no idea how long it took to build these bars, but using 9 and 19 on it, 67, 57, 47, it pretty much says the same thing. Right around 47 or so will be the turnaround based on this one, but again, I'm pretty sure we're going to get some new prints coming in on this downside here. So, all right, so what that basically means is we're just in a watching game, and we'll see if we can get into a trade at some point, seeing if this is going to be a valid pullback as well to the bottom of this I zone. And in that case, we may look for a long position. So I don't know if we're going to be a bull or bear yet, but we shall see. So, all right, guys, I'll be back and when we get into a trade, and we'll see how we can work it today. I'll be back shortly. Okay, I'm seeing a whole lot of absorption right here at 47. So I got long 10 contracts, 48, 48. Look to pull half off at 58. Okay, let me get all this set up. 58, half off. And stop is going to be sitting 48 at 38. 39, 40. 39, 9 tick stop for this one here. Get all this set up. Stop. Is that right? All right, we're in there. Okay, here's what I'm seeing. This bar right here, this cluster is actually up for interpretation. I like this one a lot better. Right here at around 48.54, which is 5 ticks off the control bar here. So we're going to utilize here 54, 44, 34. And that puts the one deviation right in smack dab in the middle of that, down to this level here. So 33 would actually be an ideal stop, but that's not in my trading plan. So if we do get stopped out, chances I'm going to get right back into this one. But I'm starting to like this area for the build up here. 67, 57, 47, 48, 47. Okay. Yep, I think we're looking okay as far as a bounce, trend up pullback, trend down. It should stall out in this area right here, theoretically anyway. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna watch and I'll be back. So 10 contracts long, 48.48. Have to come off at 58. Stop sitting at 39 right now. I'll be back shortly. Okay, gonna go ahead and move my stop up to 43. That is for 5 ticks. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, yeah, 5 ticks. So not getting that spike up as quickly. So still think Mike got some pressure to go down. So just want to tighten my stop on this one just in case we do get stopped out here. So it's in a valid area right now, and I would have taken this trade anyway. So we will see how this all plays out. But so still long 10 contracts, 48.48, and we're gonna see if we can get half off at 10 ticks. So if it stalls out again, I'm gonna just pull out early, 6, 7, 8, 9 ticks somewhere in there. All right, I'll be back shortly. Okay, went ahead and pulled half off at 8 ticks at 56, and I'm gonna go ahead and move my stop up to, gonna come to break even here. Yeah, we'll move the stop on the break even at this point. So half off there for 8 ticks, stop sitting at break even, and just want to watch this one for a minute. So again, I still think we got some more business downward, but just wanted to see. All right, be back shortly. Okay, stop there. So now I'm gonna start looking around the 1 deviation line again. Hopefully this wasn't just this is currently support right here at 47. So we'll see and watch the action. So pretty much anywhere still here is valid, but I'm still thinking we're looking around the 1 deviation, possibly down about 34. So all right, be back in a bit. Oh, wow. That happened so quick. So, okay, didn't get that optimal fill. Even if I would have left my stop where I'd intentionally planned to move it, it still would have got hit. So, okay, I caught the momentum up. I'm long 10 contracts, 48.58. Let's see if I can get half off at 68. And actually, I'm going to go ahead and move my stop to break even right now. Yep. Move my stop to break even right now at 58. And see what's going on here. So it's kind of a weird area still. It still could very much come back and test this. So I wasn't expecting this quick rise just yet. I thought we would touch first and then start shooting up at that point. So, all right, in this trade, 10 contracts, 48.58, and we'll see how we're going to manage this one here. All right, be back shortly. Okay, pulled half off at 67 for 9 ticks. Stop sitting at break even right now. So we're going to watch and see what happens here. So smack dab in the middle of stochastics, and while the print is still valid, I mean, it's very valid back here. Count back. Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, that looks like the control bar is the one to use there. So we'll see though. Okay, anyway, yeah, we was in the right area, so just wasn't the optimal field that I was looking for. So jumped the gun just a slight early, but able to pull some off and break even. So we'll see here. Okay, let me watch and we'll see what we can get in and out at. I'll be back shortly. Okay, looking to pull one off at 78. That will give me 20 ticks, and stop is still sitting at break even at 58 for the moment. May get a slight hang up here off of this low right here at 48.80. This bar is set up as a reversal sequence, but I'm not seeing the absorption going on in it at this moment. So, and that happened mighty quick from back here with this valid signal. 1, 2, 5, 10, 25 minutes or so. So CL opens in 9 minutes, and we'll be able to see at that point what we're going to do. But I think we're safely in this trade at the moment, but I'm still leaving a stop at break even just to make sure. All right, be back in a bit. Okay, got one off there at 78 for 20 ticks. Let me see if I can get another one off at 88. Sell 88. And okay. That was the push-up that I was looking for there. So the sellers tried to step in on these 3 bars, well, 4 bars actually here, but buyers kept absorbing them, and that was the next push-up that I was looking for here. So all right, we are in a good spot. I am going to go ahead and move my stop up now. Can I move it to 68 yet? Not yet. $61. I'm gonna move my stop up to 61. That's gonna lock in 3 ticks. So 4 contracts long, 48.58. Look to pull one off at 88 for 30 ticks and stop sitting at 61 to lock in 3 ticks at the moment. All right, be back in a bit. Okay, got one off at 88. That is for 30 ticks. That leaves me 3 contracts long at 58. And quick absorption happened up here as well. So let's see what kind of pullback we have here. Let's see. 65, 75, 85. Okay, it broke that one. All right, I think this is just a pullback, and then we should continue north on this one here. So buyers are still heavy in this one. So we'll see what happens with this bar. All right, be back in a bit. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and move my stop up. 68 is ideal. That is a little tight right now, given the pressure that came in on this bar. Let's see here. 65. All right, we're going to move it up to 65. That's going to lock in 7 ticks. 58. Yeah, 7 ticks. Okay, 3 contracts long. 48.58. Look to pull one off at 98 for 40 ticks, and stop sitting at 65 to lock in 7 ticks at the moment. All right, be back in a bit. Oh, okay. One thing I wanted to show you as well, based off of the current high down to where we're at, this actually banged up against the 61.8 fib level as well. So, and hadn't been able to close above it just yet. Let's see if I can draw that out. So, oh boy, can't see that. So this gold bar right here is the 61.8 fib level. So nothing that I'll weigh heavily on, but it's something to definitely keep an eye out for. The prints aren't showing the reversal sequence yet, so hopefully this is just a pullback test and off of probably that 8, and then hopefully we should continue north at that point. All right, I'll be back shortly. Okay, guys, stepped away for a bit, and let me get you caught up. Got one off at 98 for 40 ticks up here. And that leaves me 2 contracts long still at 48.58. My stop was at 65. I think I'm going to go ahead and bring it on up now. That is possibly setting up as a reversal cluster there. I need to go look at the big picture. Let me go ahead and get this adjusted first, though. So, stop is going to be at 78. That's going to lock in 20 ticks. And let me see here. Okay, 78. No, not stop limit, stop. All right. Okay. Long 2 contracts, 48.58. Stop sitting at 78 to lock in 20 ticks, and I'll look to pull another one off at 49.08. Up here, that will lock in 50, and then in standard fashion, we'll let the last one run until it either hits 100 ticks or stop gets taken out. So, all right, let me go look and see where we at on these prints on the big picture. All right, be back shortly. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and move my stop up to 48.80. And that will lock in, let's see here, 58, 22 ticks at this point. This is looking like we're getting close up to the 50 period average, and this looks like this will actually cross as soon as this bar closes. And these are some really big prints here. This one came in with a lot of total volume, and the delta is significant. So at this point, I'm just tightening stops, and yeah, I think we might get out of here with 40 ticks on the day. So hope to get that 49.08. Hope so anyway. Yeah, with that flubber of the initial trade, got me 10 ticks worse feel than I'd like, but you know, it happens. So, alright guys, I'm gonna watch and I'll be back. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and adjust. I'm gonna set a limit to pull one off at 49.00. Here's your reversal sequence. Starts right here. This cluster 877.707 off of this bar. Count up 9 to 19. 6, 91, 92, 02, 91, 92. Okay, so, yep. And this lines up pretty much spot on with the, right here. Previous day, I guess let's go back to Friday. The previous day low. Somewhere in there. So a couple ticks off the wick, and yeah, I was thinking we'd at least get up and touch the 50 period average, which it still may because we're not quite in the overbought area just yet. But this is definitely set up as a reversal sequence. So I want to tighten up and start pulling profits off at this point. So all right. So I said 49.00. I'm gonna look to pull one off. All right, and that will lock in. I don't know. Have we got? Yeah, we got up there. 58, 68, 70, 80, 98, 42 ticks. So, okay, that's what we're going to shoot for in the second to last contract, and still typical fashion, we'll let the last one run until the stop gets taken out, which it most likely will be pretty quick after this. All right, I'll be back shortly. Okay, I went ahead and took it off at 88. Adjusted it on down. I'm not seeing this pushing up much further, and everything is lining up as a reversal sequence. So, one contract long, 48.58. Stop is sitting at 80, and I will just let this one play on out from this point here. So I would ideally look to pull off at 49.08. 49.08. So wait a minute, long one contract 48.58. Yeah, 49.58 for 50 ticks. But this leaves me my last contract, so I'm gonna see how this one actually plays out at this point here. All right, I'll be back. Wow, I did not see that coming at all. But I am not complaining at all. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and close this trade on out. Wow. Okay, out at 49.20. That locks in, I don't know, 58, 68, 78, 88, 98, 08, 18. 62 ticks. Okay, and that was my last contract, so I didn't. This momentum push came so quick, and I just really wanted to get over 50 ticks. So, all right, 62 ticks for the day. I will work with it. Oh my goodness, I did not see that coming at all. But perfect. Okay, guys, that's the end of this video. Successful day today. Got in at 58 and just got out up here at 49.20. So, all right, we'll see you tomorrow. All right, bye.